Enjoy your trip. Permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo.
Your quiet and carefree highway in the sky. We invite you to sit back and enjoy your grand circle tour. Enjoy today while visiting this land. Peoplemover is the perfect vehicle for people watching, so keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see. Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World. At the Tomorrowland Speedway, lift the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket. Spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights. We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Inside this rotating theater, full families welcome you to their home yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th century. Presented at the New York World's Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that has made our lives better. It's a perfect